Hello. Welcome to our new video. Today we talk about product we needed in our travel. Is sleep always eluding you when you travel? Are you tired with all of those neck pains and soreness? Embrace the comfort and utility of our amazing travel pillow, and make traveling comfortable and easy.
Hi everyone, today I will be showing you my favorite travel pillow. In past couple of months I have tried a few travel pillow, but this is so far is my best. It comes with this beautiful bag, almost like silk, but it's not that silky. Anyway, the actual pillow is had some weight in it. You can see this is string, you can adjust it based on your neck, but it has some weight in it. It's beautiful, smooth cover. It is very comfortable, and what I like about it that it actually supports my neck. You can take the cover off and actually wash it, and you can see the memory foam has an extra cover that while you're washing it, it still be protected. It has two supportive way to put around your neck that can actually support your spine. Either way, it is very comfortable, and I love the support. I've been using the traditional pillows lately, but I think I love the design and the comfort of this pillow the best. The color is beautiful, it's very modern. There's nothing about this pillow that I really don't like. You can take this string and pull it depending on your neck size, and then you can fold it and put it back in the bag. Very lightweight, very comfortable. Absolutely love this pillow. You should give it a shot. Thanks.
This is what the travel pillow looks like. It is so soft, as you can tell. It's just like memory foam, and it feels amazing on your neck. When you put this on, you can take this off. It's magnetic. You can take it off, put it on your head, and then you can snap this back in place. And then you can adjust this however high or low you want it. This is the eye mask that comes with it. It has a little indentation for your nose, which I think is pretty cute. And the cushion, it is a little cushion, so that's nice, and it feels really good. Then it comes with this pillow travel case, and you can just stick your travel pillow in it, and it fits perfect.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe to support me.